signaling your emergency blanket and some other things. Yeah, so it's I do not have it.
My sister said, oh yeah, like this.
There is food through here. Welcome. Come in, check out. Make yourself at home. Hi, how are you?
6 in 1 city.
Oh, really? That's convenient.
How's it going?
Let's come out and check this out.
Yeah.
Great. It's kind of stark.
Well, have fun.
Yeah, thank you.
See ya.
What it looked like before over at the old hangar. Kind of all smushed in.
And this.
We have some a slideshow playing from all the
Kinds of snaps in here. So
old pics.
So it just keeps getting better and better.
It does.
These EMS people,
What do you think, Robin?
fabulous.
There we go.
Love
Who
it.
said that?
Love
Who
it.
made that comment? That's fantastic.
Wonderful.
This is spectacular.
You guys help yourself to some refreshments.
We missed the opening in the Southern Shores one.
Oh, okay. Well, glad you made this one.
Level block away.
I think this is chief file.
This is Mickey Adams here. Mickey Adams for tile for tile.
Good idea.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Back in the day.
Thank you. Thank you guys for coming.
Yeah, our pleasure.
You don't see us enough all week. Come see us again.
You gotta sleep on that. There ain't no mattress for
I
that.
know. You guys bring your own mattress.
No, that was Jimbo's last job.
Training room.
I know. I was like, look in the mirror. Sadie and I are both